Your habits can compound for you or against you. The small choices you make every day may not seem like much in the moment, but over time they add up to powerful results. Think of them like interest in a bank account. Tiny investments of effort, discipline, and positive behavior can grow into a life of success, health, and fulfillment. On the other hand, tiny lapses, negative thoughts, and unhelpful patterns can grow into stress, regret, and wasted years. The question is not whether your habits will compound. The question is, in which direction? Let's begin with positive compounding. Productivity compounds. Imagine this. You decide today to complete just one more task than usual. One extra email, one extra workout, one extra page written, one extra phone call made. On that single day, it doesn't feel like a big deal. But stretch that across an entire year, and you've added hundreds of completed tasks. Over a decade, you've built a body of work that sets you apart. Even more powerful is when you automate old tasks or master a new skill. Once you learn how to type faster, code smarter, or cook healthier, that skill keeps serving you for the rest of your life. The more tasks you can do without thinking, the more mental energy you have for creativity, strategy, and solving bigger problems. It's like building a machine that works for you, day and night. Knowledge compounds as well. Reading one book won't make you a genius. Watching a single lecture won't transform your career. But when you commit to lifelong learning, every idea stacks upon the last, like bricks building a fortress. Each book opens doors to new perspectives. Each conversation stretches your understanding of the world. Warren Buffett once said, "That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest." And he's right. If you spend 20 minutes a day learning, 10 years from now you'll have thousands of hours of accumulated wisdom. That's how ordinary people become extraordinary thinkers. Relationships also compound. People reflect back the energy you give them. If you treat others with kindness, patience, and respect, over time you'll build a network of people who want to support you, collaborate with you, and stand by your side. Being just a little nicer in every interaction can change the trajectory of your life. Think about it. Your boss, your coworkers, your friends, your family, even strangers on the street. Every smile, every act of generosity, every word of encouragement plants a seed. And those seeds grow into a garden of strong connections that can carry you through life's toughest challenges. Now, while positive habits compound, negative ones do too. Let's look at the darker side. Stress compounds. A traffic jam one day is annoying, but manageable. A tough week at work is draining, but recoverable. But when stressors pile up for years, financial pressure, family responsibilities, lack of sleep, poor diet, suddenly you're dealing with serious health issues. High blood pressure, heart problems, anxiety, depression. The weight of years of accumulated stress is not something to take lightly. That's why small stress management habits, like meditation, exercise, or simply breathing deeply, are so important. They keep today's stress from becoming tomorrow's disease. Negative thoughts compound as well. The way you think about yourself shapes your reality. If you constantly tell yourself you're not good enough, not smart enough, not attractive enough, then you begin to believe it. You start filtering life through that lens, and suddenly all you see is confirmation of your own self-doubt. You create a trap, a loop where every experience reinforces the negative. The same is true in how you view others. If you assume people are selfish, unjust, or angry, then that's what you'll notice everywhere. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. But if you reframe your thoughts, even slightly, you can break the cycle. Remind yourself of your strengths, your progress, your small victories. Look for kindness in others, and you'll find it. And then there's outrage. Outrage compounds over time. Social unrest, riots, and mass movements are rarely caused by a single event. More often, it's the slow buildup of microaggressions, injustices, and daily frustrations. Each small incident by itself seems tolerable, but when stacked together over years, they form a mountain of resentment. Then one final spark lights the fire, and outrage spreads like wildfire. This is true not only on a societal scale, but in personal relationships too. If you constantly bottle up resentment with friends, coworkers, or loved ones, one day a small disagreement will explode into a major conflict. That's the danger of compounding negativity. So what does this mean for you? It means your daily habits matter more than you think. The little decisions, What you eat, what you read, how you treat others, how you manage your emotions are not isolated. They are investments. Each choice is a deposit in your future, either into the account of growth or the account of decline. The truth is, you are always compounding. The only question is whether your habits are compounding for you or against you. Every day, you have the opportunity to tip the scale in your favor. Every day, you can choose to take one small action that, over time, transforms your life. Start today. Read one page. Do one push-up. Make one kind comment. Take one deep breath. These tiny actions may feel insignificant right now, but in 5 years, they will define who you are. Don't underestimate the power of compounding. The future you will thank you for the choices you make today.